Welcome back to the next vlog. What are we doing here? Taking that in the cooler and I'm putting it on this valve. I did have a PWR one for it, but the inlet and outlets are two different sizes, and the sides that they were on, to make it all work properly, it wasn't going to be nice for me cutting holes in things. So I've gone with this. We're going to unbox it here in a minute and I'll show you that. But for the meanwhile, we're left off literally where you seen the last vlog. I'm going to rip the front bar off this now. I'll see if I can't get it mounted up. Yes, I know this front bar has seen better days. I've got a new grill, got new trims, we're going to get bars. Don't worry about that. We're going to get it running first before we worry about making it look nice. Righto, let's unbox this thing. Anyway, we're here now. I'm going to just scrape my dress off there. But, not that that matters. Be very careful with that. I'm assuming there's cardboard over there, I hope. Oh, people make these look so easy when they cut this open. Oh, I'm just trying and busting. This is going to be horrible. But this is my intercooler. If it wants to come out of the boxer. Don't know what T&F means. Oh, there it is. Beautiful. Actually doesn't look too bad. Well done, the crash hottest, but that's what you get when you go on budget build. I did have a PWR cooler, but I really didn't want to fuck around with different size intakes and different sizes. I'll get there another time, and it's not as pretty. I couldn't really be bothered to make it nice. So I just decided I'm going to go with this bad boy to run with. I don't know how much power it makes, I don't know how much it handles, I don't know how long it will last, but I'll find out for you. Oh, it's lovely. That's it. Now to rip the front bar off and try and install this. This is like 7 o'clock at night. I don't know how far I'm going to get, but we will get the front bar off and get this on, hopefully. Let's lay down here. You essentially got a couple 10 mils the whole way around there. I don't know if that's really picking up because it's not that bright. But under these bad boys, I forgot everything that's electric, so it's all by hand today. Oh well, genuine bars, don't worry about. Oh, actually, that's not genuine. Don't worry about that one. This one is. A couple mishaps in the past. Now, nearly guarantee it's an 8mm. Yeah, lovely. Alright, I'm gonna get an 8mm, and then he's gonna watch this front bar fall on my face. Well, I cannot confirm or deny it, but this is the last bolt hole missing. Oh my god, this is where I get bitten by a spider. There we go, Tim, slow down 3 years before you do this. Oh fuck man. Got 100% on 4 down. Oh no, there's definitely something else holding that on. What that might be, I don't know. Oh yeah, oh yeah. I'll give you a quick life hack. If you want to learn patience, the car means a lot to you. Slash spent money on, slash you've had for a while, slash you don't really want to get rid of or break things. And then just try and get stuff out without breaking it sometimes. Really gets to me. But front trim's all off, grill's out. Pretty much just a Phillips head over there, 10mm there, and the rest of it all just clips in under the light here and sits in on the bar. The bar apparently is all the way undone, but there's something else holding it on. I haven't pulled one of these off for a while, so I'm about to figure that out. Anyway, we'll get there in a second. Oh, you can't really see that. Torch is gone, but a couple rare support bracket bolts. I have no idea how the bar actually slips off, but you're gonna watch it fall on my face now and enjoy. It may fall, it may not. I don't really know. I'm about to find out. Fucking typical. I don't know if you can hear that either, but it's absolutely piercing rain outside. Every time you're like, yeah, this would be like a 2-minute job. No, never. Never, ever. It was meant to be a 2-minute job. Oh yeah, there it is. Boomba. What else is on there? Nothing. Look at that, it didn't fall on my face. Great success. Very nice. And if you are wondering, for some reason you're watching me do this turbo build and you want to know how to take your front bar off, you just take the rail off because there is just some 10 mils in there floating about. Alright, chill. This is what we're left with. Now, I want to keep AC. My aircon works, you wouldn't believe it. I really don't know if you can hear me because fuck it's loud, that rain. I want to keep my AC, but this fan's got to go because it's about 200 mil fucking in width coming off the condenser. I don't really know how everything else works. I may have to move shit, but we're going to take that fan off and we're going to see how the intercooler fits now that we're at this stage. Alright, let's get it. Yeah, so the fan is out. As you can see, it's like the thickest thing in the world. Probably good back in the day, but for where we're going, we don't need it. This is going to be an issue, but I'm just going to try and sit the intercooler in there and see, just have a look where it can go. Oh, that's going to have to move, I know, but I'm just going to get it there for visual representation, get me a bit more keen. And you wouldn't believe it, wherever the fuck that thing's for is intact. They're normally all smashed up all the time. I actually couldn't tell you what they're for, but it's weird looking fucking ball thing. Righto, let's see how we can mount this dog in there without becoming a grater blade. Righto, the conclusion I've come up with is I've got to take the headlights out now to mount the top of this into there. Isn't that right, Nova? You approve? No, she's not liking the rain. But, yeah, I'm pretty sure all this is going to sit. If I can do this with one hand, probably not. Right, so, I don't really get that, so mount up in there and up in there. And hopefully it is behind that bracketry. And then it will fit in with the bar. I'll have to do a little bit of chopping, I dare say, but it's going to work. It's not like it's not been done before, but I'm just trying to do it with the least cutting involved. Righto, it's like nearly 9 o'clock at night. It's still piercing rain. I'm tired. I'm going to go inside, have a shower, and think about this a bit longer. But yeah, we'll pick up tomorrow where we left off and install this intercooler hopefully. Right, starting this off from last night. I've got a coffee, I've got some hose clamps, probably bought the last 10 in town, an oil filter and some coolant hose. So we've got a bit more to do. I definitely forgot to get paint for my cover, but that could be a tomorrow issue. But yeah, we'll go home and try and bolt this intercooler up and see if we can get it to where we want it. Right, Caleb's appeared. He's helped hold it. We've drilled some holes with a bit of guesstimates. But it is on. It's fairly centre. Just got to get some flat bar and I'll go from back here back to the rad support. And we'll pretty much call that an intercooler install. Gonna have to cut some of the front bar out and stuff, but you don't worry about that. You get down the big jobs, just drill holes and worry about that later. Isn't that right?
Yep.
So. Right, we're back. It's night time now. But obviously we left off where we were last time there. I got distracted and ended up in an AU in a paddock flying around. And I'll put that in here somewhere in a second if I remember to do that. But now, this is what we are about to do. I'm going to pull this lovely old diff that did me wonders and pull it out and get ready to put the new one in. So let's get stuck into it. Righto, don't do what I did and undo everything before the brake lines, because now we're going to get a hose clamp and block that off and undo them, and hopefully I can pull the diff out after that. But yeah, let's get it. Righto, guys and girls, don't forget to undo your handbrake cable and also the tail shaft. I may have done this a little bit backwards, but I was getting excited. Well, after that, that's out. Gave me a good old fight. Everything was really tight. Nothing's been undone for years. Everything was really, really gay. But it's out now. So we can can't really see shit in there. But yeah, we can start fitting up the other diff soon, which may be in the next vlog, maybe in the next bit, I'm not too sure. But I'm going to end this one here. Anyway, thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next one. Leave a like, leave a comment. Enjoy my absolute shit show of pulling shit apart and putting it back together. See you in the next one.